Hey guys, it's Eileen with Loving Plants. I'm here at Terrain at Styers in Glen Mills, PA. I can't wait to show you all around. Stay tuned. Can you believe how beautiful? This is one of those, I don't even know the name, it's just some sort of cylindrical snake plant, but it is so beautiful, so huge. $280, but if I had somewhere to put this, that would be amazing. Wow, look at this whole section. Whoa, what is that thing?
It's a lemon tree.
Is it?
Now only $3.59.
Oh my gosh. people love this cactus. I don't really get it, but astrophytum. It doesn't have any spines. So this pottery, there's only a couple places in the US that actually carry it, and so it's made in Italy, but it's a Denmark, it's a Danish company. They're really known for their really hardy, handcrafted quality, and I just am obsessed with the scallops. I just think that is so beautiful. Love this. Look at his like variegation. This is a variegated cactus. It's amazing. Pretty cool. I've never really seen one like that in person, I mean. Hey, it's plant haul time. So I had a little bit of luck in terrain, so I'm going to show you what I got. So the first one, so super tiny. It's a little peperomia. I'm not sure exactly what type, but I'm gonna have to find out. If anybody knows, please put this in the comments below, what type of peperomia this is. But how adorable. All their 2-inch pots were $5, so I mean, you can't beat that. And then, look at this. I finally got a Berg's pot. This is something I wanted for a long time. And forever to do this. Here's the matching little dish. They make these all by hand in Italy, so very, very beautiful. And again, Terrain is it's one of the only places around us that you can get these pots. So I'm very excited. Thanks so much, guys, for joining me today. Stay tuned for more plant tours coming from my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.